a woman's profile addresses emotion and anticipation. The initial stage of a woman's life where she shivers as a growing awareness of the inexplicable feeling of love and an acute awareness of what is about to happen engulfs her. The happening, so to speak, is that forever emotion of love, that tenuous bond that ties men and women. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the translation of Tagore's song, Amar Onge Onge, to portray the first stage of a woman's life.
Signore e signori, vi presento ora la traduzione della canzone Amar Onge Onge, a descrivere la prima fase nella vita di una donna, di emozione e anticipazioni.
Who plays the flute to the tune of my body? My heart aches with simultaneous pain and joy. With the melody of the budding blossoms, my body and heart fill up. What intoxicating fragrance floats upon the air. Suddenly hope is born, and my emotions ignite into flaring language. Today, with this beauty adorned, who do I write to? For what deep imprisoned words fight to break free. Amar onge onge ke bajay bashi. Amar onge onge ke bajay. Ah